Assembly instruction for the T27 Slingshot. What you receive is a slingshot and a rubber band. It's fairly straightforward about how to assemble it. So basically what we do is we take each string and we put it through the hole. Now what you want to do is to make sure that the thick end with the ball is on the outside, and then we just pull it right through the hole. And you want to do this in order, that way no string is crisscrossing over each other. So one side complete, just pull through, just to make sure it's stuck in there and it's not popping out. And repeat the same for the second side. Done.